Good morning, all of you, respected principal sir, dear teachers, my friends, and all the staff of Jeevan Jyoti Grace Academy. I am Khushbu Kumari from class 9. A warm welcome to you, all of you. Today is 5th September. Do you know why this day is very special for us? I think you don't know. Let me tell you. Today is the day of 5th September, and this day is celebrated as a Teachers' Day all over the world. And today is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On this very occasion, special occasion, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said that in his birthday, not only his birthday should be celebrated, also this day should be dedicated for our teachers. As you all know, teachers play a very important role in our life. Our parents give us born, but how to live our life, our teachers teach us. Like Mahatma Gandhi said in Hindi, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत बोलो. Did Mahatma Gandhi came us and said to us? No. We read in our books, right? But we read in books. We don't read by ourselves. Our teachers told us that Mahatma Gandhi tell like this: बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत देखो. So this is the way. All the whatever teachers teaches us is very important in our life. So we should always respect our teachers. Always love our teachers because they are very important for us. Not only for me, not only for our students, but all like our parents. Our parents also have somebody as teachers. Our parents also have the teachers, and our parents are also teachers for us. So on this very special day, this day is also dedicated for our teachers. And if you want to know more about the Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and for Teachers' Day, so let's welcome Tanay Burman to give a short speech on Teachers' Day. Followed by Deepak Kumar Singh. Hand over to Tanay.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacons in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted soul who works every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy, and happiness, as a student are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in memorial of his birthday, along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was great scholar and an excellent teacher. Students across the country celebrate this day to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and makes them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development and well-being of the student and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire in our life. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them lives the ideas and thoughts that one day each of us will use to provide back into their society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you.
अध्यापक दिवस के इस अवसर पर मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं आप सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि जो योगदान आप हमारे पढ़ाई में देते हैं और हमें जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते हैं, उन सभी योगदान के प्रति हम सभी विद्यार्थी आपके आभारी हैं। और अब मैं आप सभी के सामने एक छोटा सा कविता पेश करना चाहता हूँ। आप देते हो हमें शिक्षा, फिर लेते हो हमारी परीक्षा। आप देते हो हमें शिक्षा, फिर लेते हो हमारी परीक्षा। इन सब में छुपा है आपका असीम प्यार। इस प्यार से करते हो हमारे जीवन का विस्तार। गलती करे तो हमें समझाते, हम रोए तो हमें हंसाते। गलती करे तो हमें समझाते, हम रोए तो हमें हंसाते। माता ने दिया है जीवन दान और आप बनाते हैं इसे महान। ज्ञान का दीप जलाकर हमारी चमक बढ़ाते हो। ज्ञान का दीप जलाकर हमारी चमक बढ़ाते हो। विद्या का जल पिलाकर हमें जीने का ढंग सिखाते हो। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ, जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ, जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। शीश झुकाकर हम उन्हें प्रणाम करें। शीश झुकाकर हम उन्हें प्रणाम करें। धन्यवाद। और फिर एक बार आप सभी को अध्यापक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Deepak and Tanoy. Once our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, has said that I always felt a true textbook for a student is his teachers. So now I would like to request our principal sir to address few words on this very special occasion, followed by class 9 girls group dance. Over to principal sir.
At the outset itself, I would like to wish all the teachers of Jeevan Jyoti Grace Academy a wonderful and happy Teachers' Day. As we all aware that 5th of September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a president of independent India. He as a person was a renowned figure, and he has impacted several streams of studies, especially the field of philosophy. On his birthday, we commemorate the great day of Teachers' Day. On this occasion, it's always worth reflecting upon the questions. What is there to talk about a Teachers' Day? Why should there be a Teachers' Day? What is the importance of Teachers' Day? What is that which we have to talk about the teaching as a profession? As we all know, teaching is a profession that teaches all other professions. Let me repeat it. Teaching is the profession that teaches all other professions. If there are several professions in the world, but teaching is the profession that is foundational to any other profession. There is a teacher behind a scientist. There is a teacher behind a doctor. There is a teacher behind an advocate. There is a teacher behind an engineer. You talk about any other streams of studies or professions, a teacher is inevitable. When we talk from the life perspectives of our students, a student spends a considerable amount of time in school. That means he or she is influenced by a teacher a lot. The social, psychological, and other developments of a student is highly influenced by a teacher. That means a teacher's role in the life of a student is vital. Teachers play a great role in making students responsible students. As a careful and responsible citizen of a country, a teacher is playing a great role in the life of a student. Teachers help to learn. Teachers help to find the talents and potentials deep in the hearts of students, and give the chances to exhibit them and to develop them in the wider ways. Somebody rightly said like this. I would like to read this quotation for you. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Let me repeat it. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. This quotation itself is making us clear that the role which a teacher is playing in the life of a student is wholesome, and that means a teacher is impacting the life of a student in a wider way. Once the great man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said like this: teaching is very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. I would like to encourage all the teachers of Jeevan Jyoti Grace Academy Assam that you are doing a noble profession. At times we tend to look at the job that we do or the teaching that we conduct, anything that related to the teachings, we do not consider it as that important. But let me tell you that you are playing a vital role, a noble role in the making of a student. So a teacher's role can shape the character, caliber and future of an individual. A student is able to explore himself or able to find himself in a wider way through the greater influence of a great teacher. I would say that students are in the hands of a teacher just like the clay in the hands of a potter. As long as the clay is in the hands of a potter, it is not the will of the clay that is performed there. It is the potter who is determining the future of the clay. That means the future of the students are in the hands of a teacher. A teacher can determine, if a teacher can be committed and well trained and genuine and responsible in his duties, he or she can influence the student. He or she can determine the brighter future of his or her student. On this occasion, it's my prayer that we teachers continue to be guiding spirits and role models to our students as we determine their future. Thank you so much.
जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वहीं थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राह बर बने वहीं वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही कहना है एक बड़ा सा थैंक यू ऐसा कुछ towards me रोज दिखाते जाए कुछ नया या दुनिया हाथों पे रख के thanks a lot lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot सुबह हो या शाम चाहे जो भी हो काम होगा पहले बस तुम्हारा नाम thanks a lot lots and lots many ways just to say thanks a lot हर पन्ने पे हो एक नई कहानी हर एंड को हैप्पी हम करें हर बात की दे दे छूट हर दिन कोई तोहफा क्यूट जो भी हो साथ ना छोड़े thanks a lot lots and lots so many ways to say thanks a lot गाते रहे हम चाहे खुशी हो या गम अपनी ये दिल ना हो खत्म thanks a lot so many ways just to say
Thank you, Principal Sir, for your kind words. Do you know the word teacher has a deep meaning in it? So, let me tell you. T is for talented, you surely are. E is for explaining so patiently. A is for the ability to make the class fun. C is for correcting us when we are wrong. H is for helping us in every way. E is for encouraging us to do our best. R is for the rare there is only one of you. So, thank you, special teacher. We think you are too great. And now, I would like to call class 9 student to say something about our teachers.
Hello everyone, a warm and heartful welcome to the principal, my fellow friends and the stars of the day, my teachers. I am from class 9 and I am here on this occasion to talk about teachers, especially our principal and our manager Dolly Auntie. Every year, 5th September is celebrated as Teachers Day. And about Sajid sir, I have to say, first of all, thank you sir, because he is from Kerala and he has been teaching us since past 3 years, and he is a very good teacher and a very good principal also. Though he used to scold us, he used to beat us, but he do not do it for his sake. He used to do it for us, for our better future. He pushed us to attain our motivation and understand our problems without telling. He is like a magician. He used to do magic and help us to make our lives more easier and more fruitful. Dolly Auntie, she is very sweet and very kind-hearted, because whenever she come to school, she used to meet us, she used to spend time with us, and that is very thankful for that. We are thankful for that, because when she used to stay with us, we are very happy and we used to talk, we used to share our problems to her. And when from small I know our Dolly Auntie, and she's very good, and thank you would be smaller. So for our teachers, happy Teacher Day. Thank you.
And a warm welcome to you all. I'm saying warm, not saying warm because the climate is warm, but today we are going to celebrate Teachers Day, and first of all, happy Teachers Day to you all. And I'm very thankful to Ajay sir that he has given me opportunity to speak in front of you, to share my feelings for you, and I thank you very much, Ajay sir. Now, respected principal sir, dear teachers and all my friends, a very warm morning. As I already told, today we are going to celebrate Teachers Day. Today I am going to say about Minali ma'am and Rufus sir. So first of all, Minali ma'am. Ma'am has teaches us from last 5 years. From class 5, she is teaching us, and I am been her best friend because she was teaching Assamese and I was not knowing Assamese a bit even. She teaches me so much. But today I learned I can speak Assamese, I can write Assamese because of her, and she is best. I think she is my idol. In every situation, she helped me. Even in this lockdown, she used to call me after weeks and weeks. She used to call and ask the family about my family, and even I also used to call her. She is my idol. And about teaching, she is a very good teacher. She used to understand the student's mind, what's going on that student's mind. She is teaching and we are sitting in bench, but she will say we are in focus of study or in we are in somewhere else migration. And she is a very good teacher. I want to say that, ma'am. What to say? She is very good teacher. And about Rufus, first of all, I am a big fan of Rufus's style, and I'm not only for his style, but because I think I am
I used to be the best. I used to be the most freely student with him. Together we used to play together. Even sometimes he used to call me to play. We used to play together volleyball, badminton, all cricket, football, and we used to play together. Yet even sometimes if I go, we used to talk, even play. And yet he didn't teach us. He is teaching to lower classes, but I know his teaching style, and he used to see all the students is same. He is, I think I am best. He is best for me. For sir, what I want to say. You know all things, but today I got chance to share my feelings for you. So I love you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Khushbu Kumari from class 9 and now I'd like to say a few words about my teachers Ratna ma'am, Judy ma'am, Sneha ma'am and Rajan sir. Ratna ma'am. Ratna ma'am is one of my favorite teacher and the oldest teacher who is still in our school. When our school was opened, from that time until now she is in our school. And when I was 3 years old and I was in LKG, from that time she is teaching me and still now she is teaching me. So ma'am, thank you so much for helping me every time, and she always helped me in studies. And when the first subject she taught me was Assamese, it was a very tough subject for me, but when she started teaching me, and now it's a very easy subject for me, and today whatever I am is all about my teachers. And thank you Ratna ma'am for teaching me so goodly. Thank you so much. Sneha ma'am. Sneha ma'am is also a very good teacher, but as I don't know more about ma'am because she is new in our school, but I have did 2 classes with ma'am and she is teaching us science and I am able to understand everything. Thank you ma'am for teaching us so goodly. Thank you for doing so much hard work for us, as ma'am is making some YouTube videos for us, so it takes lot of hard work. So ma'am, thank you for that. And I think when our school will reopen, we will enjoy with ma'am and I will try to know more about ma'am. But for now, thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. Judy ma'am. Judy ma'am is one of the best teacher in our school. She is also a teacher who taught me from a small childhood time until now. When I was in LKG, from that time she is teaching me until now. She is also teaching me and I am also learning. So she is a very good teacher. She always helped me in my studies, not only in studies, in even curriculum activities. Ma'am is very good teacher, and also she is a like example for us because now she got married, but still she is maintaining her home also, even her in houses, and even teaching us also. She is also an example for us that there will be always the problems in our homes, but we should still overcome it, and we should know how to manage all the things in our life. So ma'am, thank you for inspiring me and even all of us. Thank you so much for teaching me in a so good way. Thank you so much ma'am. Rajan sir doesn't teach us, but sir is always there in our stationery counter, and whenever we need some stationery, sir gives us, and sir works hard a lot. Like whenever in school we are having annual function, sports day, dance competition and many things, he works hard a lot, and for that it needs lot of effort. So sir, thank you so much for working hard for us. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Babita Kujur from class 9 and I am going to say some few words about one of our teacher whose name is Karisma ma'am. Ma'am, I know that you have not taught us any subject, but I have seen you teaching other classes. You teach very well and thank you for that, and we are great to have you in our school. You are very good. I know that thank you is not a big thing, but we have nothing except thank you, and I wish all the teachers happy Teachers Day from all our students and friends. Thank you.
Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all. In this special occasion, I want to say to all of my teachers as Happy Teachers Day. As I am studying from last 10 years, I never feel uncomfortable. and I want to say about two of my favorite teachers, about Ashish sir and Ajay sir. Ashish sir is very kindful person and he never taught us badly, and when he taught we understand everything, and thank you for coming from very far for teaching us, and thank you for coming to teach us with well educated manner. And about Ajay sir, he is a very kindful person and he never thought about us badly, and he also came from very far. I am thankful to both of teachers as they come from very far for teaching us and giving his wisdom and knowledge to deliver message. They always thought good for us. I and every person should take wisdom and knowledge from him, so that we should become a big person in future. And thank you for giving me a chance to speech in front of all of everyone. So that thank you.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह, तो राह रोशन करते वो। कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
Thank you, class 9 students, for saying few words for our teachers. God understood our thirst for knowledge and our need to be led by someone who shares. He need a heart of compassion, of encouragement and patience. Someone who would accept the challenge regardless of the position. Someone who could see potential and believe in the best in others. So he made teachers. Now I'd like to request Dolly ma'am to say few words on this very special occasion, followed by Susma Morang's poem and Ajay sir. Over to Dolly ma'am.
Good morning to all the teachers, and on this beautiful day. And today we set aside this day to honor and appreciate, to express our gratitude to all the teachers who are working selflessly to build the lives of our students. And as you know, we at Jeevan Jyoti Grace Academy, Diju, we are a small school, a growing school, not compared to the other schools which are so big in Delhi, Mumbai, and who have thousands of students there. But we have a small flock in our Assam, and I thank you all teachers for your contribution towards the Assam school. I know you're building their lives, so you're imparting so much, investing so much into their lives. And because of your commitment and contribution, they are coming up. And I want to, in this day, I want to really thank you for your efforts. Each one of you was watching me, and especially teachers are not necessarily to be only in the schools, wherever we are. At home, though we are teachers, we are parents. And at home also we are teaching our children, and not only in every age of our life, we are actually learning things and also teaching things. At home we are a prime role to teach our children, and so with this thing we should keep it in mind that the children are looking at us. We should be role models, at home or at school, the way we dress, the way we speak, and when we deal with them. It's not just imparting to them book knowledge, but our love and giving them a hug once in a while and loving the children. and imparting to them our life. I remember my teachers, even now, my teachers, my science teachers who taught me in KV Cochin. I even remember their faces, their names, because the love they imparted to me, along with the book knowledge, the studies, you know. So why do I remember them? Because their lives really changed me, and I could get good marks because of their teaching. So this wonderful day, I want to really encourage you all and want to thank you all also that what you're doing to the church, for your passion, for your commitment to the school, and God bless you all this day. And you know, we have to shine. The Bible says we have to shine as lights, because we live in a crooked and a perverse generation. We ourselves first as teachers to shine as lights, and then impart this light to the children, so that they can be shining as lights in this crooked and perverse generation. All around us we see a lot of evil, and we teach children to do good, so they'll become good citizens of India. And so on this beautiful day, I want to thank you. I take this privilege to thank you all from my heart, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Good morning all of you, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. First, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during the lockdown. You have not only taught us the new way to learn, but have also motivated us during the lockdown. So now I would like to recite a small poem on Teachers Day. Today seems normal like any random day. On this white piece of paper, a few thoughts I shall say. Allow me to express my sincerest appreciation. You play a big role in my evolving education. Teachers like you are far and few in between. Your positive outlook is like pastures of green. You always encourage me and go away beyond. For all your dedication, I thankfully respond. I know today is another normal and random day, but my gratitude and appreciation I just wanted to convey. Thank you all for listening me.
Hello everyone. On behalf of School Management, Administration and Extracurricular Activities Department, I want to wish you all happy Teachers Day, all the teachers and also the students. आज मैं इस अवसर पर आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूं, सभी अध्यापक गणों के लिए और साथ में हर एक विद्यार्थियों के लिए. और मैं ये समय लेना चाहूँगा. आई वांट टू टेक दिस टाइम टू गिव थैंक्स सम ऑफ द पीपल दोज हु हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड टुवर्ड्स दिस प्रोग्राम. वेरी स्पेशली फर्स्टली वी विल गिव थैंक्स टू अवर गॉड, जिन्होंने हमें ये दिन दिया है हमारे जीवन में. एंड विद दैट ऑल्सो आई वांट टू थैंक आवर डियर प्रिंसिपल सर एंड ऑल्सो और मैनेजर आंटी डॉली, जिन्होंने ये समय लिया, हमारा अपना कीमती समय दिया टू एड्रेस अ फ्यू वर्ड्स टूवर्ड्स टीचर्स एंड ऑल्सो फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. उसके साथ ही साथ आई टेक दिस टाइम टू गिव थैंक्स क्लास 9 स्टूडेंट्स वेरी स्पेशली, जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को सक्सेस बनाने के लिए अपना योगदान दिया है. और वी आर रियली थैंकफुल एंड वी आर रियली हैप्पी बाय हियरिंग दोज प्रेशियस वर्ड्स जो आप सभी ने हम सभी टीचर्स के लिए बोले हैं. एंड विद दैट ऑल्सो वी ऑल्सो वांट टू थैंक आवर नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ, हमारी दीदी और साथ में आंटी, जिन्होंने आज का प्रोग्राम में जो बाकी जो मदद की उसके लिए भी मैं उनको धन्यवाद देता हूँ. सो थैंक यू ऑल एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू हैव वन स्मॉल सॉन्ग बाय जैस्मिन, क्लास 6. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो